If your business is making sales but you're still stressed about money, this could be why. Think your business is doing fine? Here's how small business owners lose money without realizing it. First, red flag. Your financial records are a mess. Receipts are missing. Invoices aren't tracked. Bookkeeping keeps getting pushed to later, and then tax season hits. Now, you're scrambling to figure out where your money actually went. But that's not the worst one. You could have strong sales and still run out of cash. Sounds crazy, right? A lot of business owners look at revenue and think they're profitable. Meanwhile, customers haven't paid their invoices, expenses keep growing, and cash is disappearing. Here's another warning sign. If you're using credit cards just to cover normal business expenses, that's your cash flow waving a giant red flag. Pause for a second. When was the last time you reviewed your financial statements? Not your bank balance. Your actual financial reports. Because successful businesses don't just track sales. They track profitability. They track spending. They track cash flow. And here's the good news.
Keeping templates that save time and keep your finances organized? Check out Esvea Accounting on Etsy for accounting spreadsheets, trackers, and ready-to-use bookkeeping tools for small business owners and freelancers. Available in 7 different colors so you can choose the style that fits you best. Everything is simple, practical, and easy to use. Prices start at only 85 cents. Grab yours today and start organizing with ease.
Most expensive accounting problems start small. Regular bookkeeping, monthly account reviews, tracking expenses consistently, simple habits. Huge difference. And if you're still managing everything with spreadsheets and guesswork, modern accounting software can show you exactly where your money is going in real time. The businesses that grow fastest aren't always the ones making the most money. They're the ones that understand their numbers. Wait, it gets worse. Here's where most owners get caught. Quick reality check. But that's only half the problem. Let me explain. Think about this for a second. Red flag number 1. Messy financial records. Sales up, cash available, unpaid invoices equals cash flow problems. Using credit cards for expenses. Review financial reports. Monthly small habits. Save big money. Know your numbers suggested. B-roll visuals. Business owner. Looking confused at laptop. Stack of receipts scattered on desk. Unpaid invoice notification popping up. Bank account. Balance decreasing. Credit card being swiped repeatedly. Spreadsheet with missing data. Person reviewing profit and loss report. Accounting software. Dashboard screen recording. Calculator, bills, and coffee on desk. Business owner. Looking relieved after organizing finances. Want to avoid expensive accounting mistakes before they hurt your business? Follow for simple bookkeeping, accounting, and cash flow tips every small business owner should know. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.